You think clean aesthetic was clean? It was all natural, all minimalism. I'm just wearing moisturizer, I'm just wearing lip balm. You think it was all that? Really? Well, you couldn't have been more wrong, and we're going to talk about that.
Just one touch like it with just one touch like it.
So, of course, I'm not saying clean girl aesthetic is dead because people are going to do the aesthetic because people are people, and we also going to collectively ignore the fact that I'm filming this at night and the quality is not good. Okay. And if we are talking about clean girl aesthetic, we have to talk about Hailey Bieber because, like, think about it. Whenever you hear about clean girl aesthetic, you of course think of Hailey Bieber and her brand Road because they promoted it like that, about being clean girl. Just use my moisturizer or like a serum or whatever. I don't know what products she has, anyways. The lip balm and all, the lip gloss and everything, and just use that. No makeup, just clean, natural thing. And so yeah, if we are going to talk about clean girl, we have to talk about Hailey Bieber and her brand. And yeah, to be honest, the reason I made this video is that people think clean girl aesthetic is clean and that it is all natural and there's no effort. Clean girl aesthetic is based on the fact that it is effortless. Like you're not doing anything to grab attention. You're not doing anything to look that good, and people it gives you a little depression when you look at someone. Like there are two ways perfection can be rolled out. If perfection is loud, you know what to do and you can see it, right? Like they have taken efforts, and maybe if you take the same efforts you might be able to reach that. But if perfection is silent, you blame yourself for not reaching it. You blame yourself, why can't I look like that, why can't I do or be like that? That's the freaking point in clean girl aesthetic. They make it out to be so perfect and almost like divine, like only we can be that and you can't. Yeah, that's why I wanted to talk about clean girl aesthetic. And let's just also not forget, it is not natural. Okay, we all know there's a lot of medically assisted natural stuff happening. So of course, with the first point being Hailey Bieber and her brand Road, definitely, like, she went with the aesthetic as if like having a clean girl aesthetic means a clean life, and it wasn't clean. We all know that. I think anybody who has been on the internet from a while knows what all scandals happened with Hailey Bieber and her being like allegedly called like a mean girl in like pop culture. And yeah, it wasn't clean girl aesthetic was promoted as, if you have your life, like if you have all beige and minimalist aesthetic and being clean and all, your life will be clean, which is not true. You're gonna have scandals, you're gonna have some mess, because you're a human being. And yeah, it was promoted in a way that, if you have the clean girl aesthetic, you're gonna have a clean life, which no. Same way with her brand Road, it was promoted to be a really like a simplicity, minimal, like colors and styles and minimal packaging and all. But it wasn't. It was just another hype driven product by an influencer. That's it. There were a lot of there were a lot of issues from the start for the customers who brought the product, and definitely the product launch wasn't clean even though they were going with all simplicity thing. Yeah. And I think, and this is not like a hate video to Hailey Bieber. I'm just like trying to point out that people take a certain person and make them into a pamphlet. Okay, like this is what we want to be or look like or behave as something. Like a pamphlet, like just a guide. Like this is how I want to do and be like. So that's the problem. I think Hailey Bieber, promoting or following that certain aesthetic is not wrong. I mean, it suits her. Like she looks good. I'm not going to lie about that. So she looks good. I don't know why I would have a problem with that. It's just that people use her as a pamphlet and be like, you should be in this certain aesthetic. And the problem with clean girl aesthetic is that it's not just one aesthetic, it's the aesthetic. Like you have to be that. Otherwise, you just I don't know, not relevant or not that good looking or whatever. And with the same, uh, given the fact that they promote it as effortless, it is not effortless given I said like it is medically assisted, natural. So many of the influencers who promote to be, like the clean girl aesthetic, the clean girl, have like, allegedly done Botox, maybe, fillers and other like medical procedures to like cosmetic procedures to get a certain image. And of course there's genetics, of course there is a lot of other factors that influence that. They will not tell you, of course, because they're just like, clean girl, I just use moisturizer, I just use lip balm, nothing else. They're not going to tell you all the like, exercises they do, all the medical procedures they have to do, or like cosmetic procedures they have to do, like, facial massages, or other creams they use. Maybe they will not tell you that what they do exactly to keep their face like that, or like the whole body exactly. And yeah, I want to point that out. Like, you have to take clean girl aesthetic as just another one aesthetic instead of the aesthetic, and giving it such great attention. And that's why I think that aesthetic is dying. And because of the, like the wave of nostalgia coming back and all, like 2016 happening in 2026, I think people are just, like stopping to, follow this certain aesthetic of being a clean girl. People are going back to physical media, people are going back to all the wave of nostalgia, people are going back to all the messy hairstyles, the, eyeshadows, and, like different color eyeshadow instead of the clean girl. Oh my god, I'm just wearing nothing. We're not doing that anymore because it's exhausting. The amount of perfection clean girl needs is exhausting, and there are a lot of efforts behind the scene that you won't be told. And of course, there are filters too, because why not? Because acne is not good and we have to use filters apparently. So yeah, it's crazy. And to be honest, I mean, I get the acne part and the skin texture part because I do have acne and I don't feel like showing it because, of course, internet makes me feel like that. And yeah, I don't like to show I have pimples on my skin. And yeah, I get that point, but you can't just go around and tell people I have a glass skin, naturally. Of course you're using serums, of course you're using other creams. It's just not all moisturizer, okay? It's not just all matcha, okay? For some unknown reason there's also matcha in this aesthetic. I don't know why. Or like green tea or matcha. I don't know exactly. Anyways, but yeah, it's not all that. Okay, we all people who have acne and all know the struggle and know how hard it is to get rid of those marks. So yeah, it's not just all moisturizer. Okay, please stop doing that. Yeah, but I just want to make this video so that people know that clean girl aesthetic has a lot of efforts behind the scenes that the influencers won't show you. And there's a lot of medical procedures done that not everyone can afford, and not everyone wants to or has to do it. You don't have to get a nose job or like get fillers in your like lips or get botox or something like that to look a certain way. And of course there's genetics which you can't change, but yeah, you have to take into consideration that they are not above us and they're not like different than us. It's fine, everyone has an aesthetic they want to follow. No certain aesthetic has to be like the aesthetic, and we have to be like that, otherwise we are uncool and irrelevant. I don't know why, but yeah, I don't know, that's it, right? Why do I ramble so much? Anyways, I think clean girl aesthetic is dying because now people are just taking it as one aesthetic and not the aesthetic, and we are tired. And again, 2026 is now 2016, so we are going back to a little shitty makeup which looked really cakey, but nonetheless. Of yeah. What else? Nothing. I don't know. I have no other point to add. Okay, but anyways, if you have watched till now, I don't know, thank you for watching, and subscribe and follow me on Instagram. I will have the link in the description. And Bye.
Just one touch, I could win.